Section 5.3, example 3b. Again, they are telling us that x is on the interval from 0 to 2 pi, so we're going to solve this. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. If I have a situation where I have 4 terms, again, I go back to my factoring tools, I'm going to have to factor by grouping. So I'm going to bring this square root of 2 over here. And the first two, when I factor by grouping, have a 2 cosine of x in common. And I'm left with 2 cosine of x plus 1. These two have a negative square root of 2 in common. And I'm left with 2 cosine of x plus 1. So again, factoring by grouping, what I have in the parentheses I want to be the same, which it is. So then I can factor that out front. And I'm left with 2 cosine of x minus the square root of 2. Zero product property, I can set those both equal to 0. So on this one, I need to subtract 1 and divide by 2. So the cosine of x is going to equal a negative 1/2. This one, I'm going to add the square root of 2 and divide by 2. So I'll get cosine of x is equal to the square root of 2 over 2. So again, I'm only looking for my solutions from 0 to 2 pi. So where is cosine negative? Cosine is negative in quadrants 2 and 3. So cosine is 1/2, negative 1/2 in quadrant 2, 2 pi thirds, and in quadrant 3, 4 pi thirds. Cosine is positive in quadrants 1 and 4. Where is the cosine equal to square root of 2 over 2? It's going to be at 45 degrees or pi fourths. And then in quadrant 4, you would be at 7 pi fourths. I have 4 potential solutions to that problem.